Here we have the Tissot Carson automatic chronograph, reference t085.427, boxed up. Got an made automatic chronograph movement, so similar to the Valjoux family, but slightly different. So this is the c01211, 45 hour power reserve. It's a 42mm diameter watch, so nice chunky piece of watchmaking. Got the manual wind, working as it should. Chronograph will function in. There are a couple of scratches on the crystal which you can just see, and it has been worn, so obviously it's fairly well used. Got the exhibition case back, the Tissot rotor weight. Quite a late model, so this is a 2017 watch. All the warranty card and bits and bobs are in the box, so you expect with Tissot. See the chronograph working. It resets as it should. Just quickly show the date change. Just past midnight. Just quickly show the quick set. If I can find the first position anyway. Okay. So this watch was bought in December 2017, so it's actually only just out of its warranty period. So yeah, quite a nice little watch. Well, I say little, it's quite large. I'll just quickly put it on the watch timer so you can see it's keeping fairly decent time. So keeping fairly decent time. Yeah, definitely nothing that you're really going to notice in everyday use. So, cheers.